The secret to our mastering is actually the mixing.
Emotional, groove, sexiness, love.
Yeah, we thought it was the right time to really show you guys like what goes in an actual DubVision progressive style track.
I made a selection of 15 chords that I usually start to make a progressive sound.
There's gonna be sounds, there's gonna be samples, the tutorial obviously. There will also be a project file included, everything you need to make a track in a progressive house style. Hey guys, we're DubVision,
And this is our 78910.com producer pack.